Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Jose Cabrera. Thank you for joining me in this new tutorial video. In this video, guys, I'll be on my mobile showing you how to actually go into groups and get leads. Okay, what type of people you want to be adding. Okay, so I'll be actually showing you from my phone. Let me go into my groups. Okay, we'll be in the main page. We're gonna go to our groups. Okay, we're gonna hit groups. All right, we're gonna basically look for the groups, guys. Under your groups, you're gonna want to go into a group that has a lot of engagement, that has a lot of comments, and just go in there and look for people that would be great for your business and your services or whatever business you're doing. Okay, so let me just go into a group here. Let me scroll and just look for one. Okay, I'm gonna go into this one. Okay, guys, so it has 5,000 members. So I'm pretty much just gonna scroll down for now, and I'm gonna look for a few people. Okay, like I said, people you want to do business with, people you want to work with, and people you think are gonna be good for your business. So let's scroll down. I see this person. I'm gonna go ahead and just click on her profile. I'm gonna check her out. She's talking about money. Okay, I'll check her Facebook really quick. As you can see, she posted yesterday, so it would be a good idea to add her. Okay, just for an example, guys. Okay, you see she posted. She has a few random stuff, but it's okay. So I'll go ahead and send her a request. I'll add her. There's one lead. There you go, one lead. A few more to go. So we'll keep going, guys. Keep doing the same thing. Like I said, you want to look for like-minded people. Okay, people that you think are going to be good for your business. Okay, so you're pretty much, guys, yeah, gonna keep scrolling, looking for people. Okay, you want to do this with as many Facebook groups as you can. Like I said, you know, try to go in there, guys, and at least do this for at least 50 people a day. Okay, that way you'll increase your friends list, you know, fast. So I'll go ahead and add him. Okay, another person down, another lead. Okay, so I have another lead there. And guys, I'll just keep scrolling and pretty much finding more people and doing this, you know, over and over. Okay, here's another person. I'll go in. I'll check them out. I'll just, you know, send them a request. Okay, because I see they're talking about money. So most likely they're wanting to make money online. Okay, so things like this, guys, you want to look at what they're posting if they're wanting to make money. You know, we can go to another group here in a little bit. Let me see. Okay, here's one. Make money. Okay, we're gonna scroll down, guys. Again, do the same thing with this group. Look for people that you see are posting or talking about money. Okay, let me go to another group. If you don't see a lot of engagement, guys, in the group, then you know, you really don't want to add the people or post. Okay, this is my friend already, so again, I'll keep going. I'm gonna tap on this one. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'll add her. Okay, she's talking about PayPal. Look, if you can copy and paste. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and add her. Okay, I'll add her. Okay, even though if she's in something I'm doing, but if she's not, then you know, this is a possible lead. So again, I'll just go ahead and add her. Okay, she's talking about money, so that's somebody that you would want to make money with and be in your business. Look, also this, guys, is important. Under, like I said, under posts that have a lot of people, look, you can come in here and pretty much add these people. These are leads again. Okay, these are people in the US. Okay, it says I can't add her. That's fine. These are people that are in the US, guys. Most likely people that want to make money online. Okay, and you want to just go ahead and add them. Okay, if you know, like I said, look, has 398 emotions. Okay, and look, there's more people in the comments. You can come in, guys, look for people, add them, guys, and just you know, get that list up. Okay, this is how you get your friends list up quick, by adding people. Look, and just scroll down, guys, look at all the comments, and just keep doing the same thing over and over, guys. Like I said, look, and then we can go to another group and then just keep on doing it. Okay, so hopefully, guys, this video was helpful. Hopefully it helped you a lot, and you know, hopefully everybody that's watching it takes action. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, guys.